Hi everybody, it's me again with a new video. It's been a long time since I made one, and I'd just like to show you people what I made recently in order for people to try buckling springs and Topres. What I did is I harvested, let's first start with the buckling spring. I harvested the buckling spring from an IBM Model M, and I used this is from the IBM, from the Model M, the spring is from the Model M, and this is the barrel, it's called a barrel, from a Model F, and they can be, you can get those separate from the rest of the board, and in contrast to the Model M, where it is one big plate of plastic, and I cannot retrieve them just like I can do that with the Model F. What I did is I cut some little piece of plastic, and you can see this click leaf here. This is the thing that makes the clicky sound when the spring buckles. That's why it's called a buckling spring. So I put this whole thing together and it works. This must be the first buckling spring try switch ever. I never saw it before. So yeah, it's gonna be part of my switch try bags that you can sign up for. Okay, so that's the Model M. I also did something similar to the, oh, there goes my focus. I did something, no. It's a Microsoft camera. I did something similar with the Topre key. What I did is I harvested this Topre switch from one of my Reforce boards, and I just cut a little piece of plastic and used two little screws on the side here. You can see the spring clearly, and you have this. Maybe you can see the rubber as well. I did cut the rubber a little bit. I won't do it in my next iteration of this little try switch, but for the first try this actually worked out pretty well. I mean, it resembles the Topre key switch very well. And well, yeah, just like to show you what I did. So if you're really interested in trying one of these, I suggest you go to deskauthority.net and find the thread where I posted about this, and email me, of a private mail, PM me, and then I'll put you on the list, and yeah, you get a chance to try these babies as well. Okay, hope you liked the video.